Hello everyone, in this quick video tutorial, I will show you how to show the dislikes counter on YouTube, and the steps to restore the dislikes counter on YouTube are very simple, and I will explain to you what the dislike counter is. For example, open any video on YouTube. Before starting, I want to make it clear to you that this method only works on the Google Chrome browser, meaning that it will not work on any other browser. Below the video, you will find the like sign, and also the dislike sign, and you will find that YouTube will show you the number of people who liked the video, and hide the number of people who disliked the video. If you want to know how many people disliked the video, you can see that, and this is what I will explain to you now. And the first thing you have to do is click on the three-dot icon, or menu in the Chrome browser. And from the menu, click on Extension, and from the sub-menu, click on Manage Extension. And after opening the Manage Extension page, here you will find all the extensions that you have included in the Chrome browser. To add a new extension, click on the three lines, and then at the bottom, click on Open Chrome Web Store. And this will open the Chrome Web Store page for you. Once you open the web market, go to the search box, and enter the name of the extension, which is Return YouTube Dislike. Then click on the extension called Return YouTube Dislike. After that, click on the Add to Chrome button. Then click on the Add Extension button from the window that appears. Then wait for a few moments until completion of adding the extension, which is called Return YouTube Dislike, and after the completion of the addition process, you can close the open pages, and go back to same video that you wanted to see how many people did not like the video, and reload the video so that it works with the new updates that we have added. Immediately, the number of people who did not like the video will be shown, and this will apply to all videos on YouTube. You can use this extension on Chrome browser only. I hope the video and explanation will be useful to you. Thank you for watching. And I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.